Hey everyone, this is the overview video for day 8. I made day 8 a little bit shorter because I know some of you are still working on stuff from day 7 with the gizmo. And actually, before I get into the stuff for day 8, I want to show you something. So, when you go to the gizmo site, when you log in, this is what it should look like. And I know some of you were saying that the digestive system gizmo wasn't right on this page here. Go up to where it says find gizmo and then type in digestive system, and then it should take you to it. So if you haven't gotten to that yet, then don't worry, you can still work on that. Alright, so for day 8, like I said, I made it kind of simple. I want you to go in and add to your tissue study guide the digestive system tissues. So this is the PowerPoint here, and there are, let's see, you have simple columnar, you have stratified columnar or cuboidal, it depends on where it's at, and then you have stratified squamous. Stratified squamous you should already have because of the integumentary system. If you do not have it, make sure you add it in this slide. If not, then you only have 2 to add. The function, location, and description are on there, as well as some pictures, or you can always go into Google and find your own picture and put that in on your slide. And that's it for day 8.